Okay, there's a good news. Okay, Karina is pregnant. Okay, that is definitely a good news. But I was going to talk about something else. Heard that the Russian vaccine is out. Heard also that the Chinese vaccine is being tested in Abu Dhabi, where I was supposed to travel before lockdown. My visa had also arrived. Kind of good news. As much as we have studied this virus, we kind of know that it won't just go with a snap. But fingers are crossed, hopes are always high. With that said, let's start today's vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lights are on, we are good to go, but the weather is not supporting. But come may what, I will still ride my bike even if I have to get wet, but I have everything waterproof today with me. Yeah, so it's 2:30 in the afternoon. As you can see, I'm going to my mom's house to have a quick bite. Okay, so quickly picking up the first question by Vedanta Kapoor. He says, when is your studio setup vlog dropping? Okay, well, actually I am doing back-to-back vlogs. I'm shooting a lot, and yes guys, I'm gonna review 4 more motorcycles coming week. It all depends on the rains. If the rain subside, then I can do back-to-back. Yes, one includes a super bike also, but unfortunately I'm not able to do that. So because I'm giving you guys regular content, I'm not focusing a lot on my studio. However, there are few things which are required for the studio. When I say few things, means really hardcore, like flooring, desk setup and all that. So it will eventually come answering that. Okay, so I have a message from Padma Naidu Chaitanya saying, can you give me a shout out, it's my birthday. Uske liye membership leni padegi. Just kidding. Yes, I am enrolling for the membership program. I mean, that gives a lot of perks to some selective followers. That's kind of a YouTube program. I will explain that in near future once that is done, because I did get the eligibility mail for that. Well, happy birthday Padma Naidu, and hope you have a good one. Light off karna bahut zaruri hai. Okay, so Siddhant, if you're watching this, I'm coming to your house. So actually I will have to come back to my house to pick those things, because I have some work also in my mom's house. For Siddhant's lift has arrived. Woo! And also guys, how do you like my new t-shirt? Looks cool, right? Comfortable stance is gonna be fun. आज मतलब कितनी भी बारिश हो जाए, I don't care, I am taking this bike. मैंने कल मिलिन भाई से बात की, and मिलिन was like very clear that I have the same light. मेरी हीट से ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. He has exact same light. Finally lunch is over. Lunch was fantastic. Oh, yeah. Doesn't look like a 5-pounder. Let's see. Okay, so this came free, which is a protein bar. Okay, the offer was for 120 pills. I got 60. I'm not too sure. There's no silica gel in it or something. Let's see how the protein is. A protein pack, and says 2.5 kilos. Packed whey isolate. I have gone for isolate because it's better. It's more filtered. 4 people call me reckless. Let me add the mirror to my motorcycle. So the rain has started. I have to rush. Wearing my Gore-Tex North Face 6-year-old jacket. Okay, so I'm in Siddhant's building. It is still on a call, so it's gonna take a little while. Oh, the water just hit the mic. Okay, I should come inside. वही वाला है ये? ये वही कैमरा है? नहीं सेम है, वही वाला है. हाँ, वो नहीं खरीदा अभी नहीं मैंने. वो ये वही उस दिन जो था ना, वो नहीं बोला जो आप कैमरा बता रहे थे, वो नहीं है ना. वो नहीं है, वो तो बहुत महंगा है. लेकिन अभी अपन अंधेरे में खड़े हैं, पर लोगों को ब्राइट दिख रहा है. करेक्ट. हाँ, सिर्फ इसका माइक ऑडियो थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं है. If you are seeing this vlog in the morning, you will be hungry. It's more like a stiff brownie. Obviously, I can kind of sense it has protein in it. And cocoa. Not bad. How's the feel?
Like super comfortable, yeah?
Very comfortable, na?
Yeah.
The whole difference is the seat goes a little below. The risers put the bar up. Your arm, how it's kept. You see the difference?
Yeah, nice. It's
Yeah, in fact you're taller, so you're hunching a bit. I'm a bit shorter than you, so I would be straight and it'll be perfect for me. But see, even for tall guys, this is perfect.
Nice.
Because you're 6'1", right?
6.
6, around 6, yeah. With boots and all, 6'1", whatever. Siddhant needs to say hi, right, to all the subscribers. What's up?
Hello!
Siddhant, did you see yesterday's vlog?
No, I couldn't actually see
Today's
the
vlog? Achha, he didn't.
No, I couldn't. I calls in the morning, so
he did not see the shout out I gave him that Siddhant tayar ho ja, building mein aa raha hu. And he finished his call. Now we're gonna kind of work. The tools are here. Now I'm gonna tell you the problem, okay? First of all, I love this light a lot, but unfortunately it cracked. You don't put cracked lights on your tail light. ये आगे जाके पूरी जल सकती है. If it's burnt, I'm not too sure if it's personally hit or it's burnt. That is a mystery yet. But mostly we are thinking it's burnt. So here's the story. I'm putting the original back, obviously, because this can't work. Now if I put this, okay, you can see the side indicators don't do justice, correct? It will be not seen, only from the side. And yes, light will flash, but it won't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Such a big light and the indicator lights are hidden. It won't make sense. आप लोग समझ रहे हो ना, मतलब हमारे साथ कितनी problems होती है. Small things really make everything connected. So I had given this to Abhideep's dad to actually extend the pipes. Now what Abhideep did is, I gave him 4. He got 2 of them extended, which I showed you in the video. I assumed all 4 would be done. Then he says, yeah, you gave me 4, but 2 were open, so I only did the open ones. Fair enough. These are the longer ones. This is supposed to be behind, but we have put this here. Now we will have to again remove this, put this behind. So I'm sure you can definitely understand our situation. That's why Siddhant and me have a constant smile. But the reason of meeting him today was not only this. He's gonna work on my camera. He's gonna create a push button so that the water doesn't go from there, which I showed you guys. If you are following me and if you are a new subscriber, please go back in time, watch my previous vlogs, because now the vlogs will be such that every day will be something happening, so I can't keep repeating it, and I hope you all understand that. Okay, so quick thing, this is the stock one, obviously you can see it's plastic, but below this bush we do get something like this, which comes in stock. Don't lose this, guys, this is very important. Even if I have front washer, the gap will be seen, water will seep in and it won't look good. So you make sure you use the stock ones which are here given. Okay, make sure you put this. So we are going towards a very much Bonnie setup, total Triumph feel. मैंने ये भी decide कर लिया है कि I should get a nice grab bar with a rear rack. Not the racks which actually come out all the way here. I don't like them. I don't mind cutting 3-inch seat of this and starting my rack right here till here. But I want that whole feel of this thing, and this is the kind of assembly is gonna look. Now it becomes like a modern classic retro. Guys, अगर आप लोग को special feature मेरा देखना है, fake South Indian audition. Do you guys want to see it? Okay, I'll show you all. So now you know what all crazy shit I do. And yes, this is not a TikTok video. This was fun with my family. We were doing this, and yes, he's right. मैं पगला रहा हूँ. मैं उम्र के साथ थोड़ा mental होते जा रहा, थोड़ा नहीं काफ़ी. But that's how I am, bro. Coming back to the light assembly, setup तो हो गया है. In fact, old school like hell. Fresnel lens की खासियत, advantage of a Fresnel lens, what it does, it even the lowest voltage of the bulb actually flares brighter. So if you see any of the railway trains, it's not the high powered bulb, it's the mercury behind all the Fresnel lens, which creates that kind of a thing. In fact in olden times they used to put this in lanterns This to put in bikes such as Java, BSAs and all that, and that's why I am a sucker for this. So checking the indicators. Nice. They are precise. Like no nut can reach that spot. I'll show you guys. Yeah, there you go. So this is a challenge. So you know what we're gonna do?
I'm not saying it.
I will say it.
I'm not saying it.
Okay. People are gonna be like, "Is zyada ho gaya, Raj? Is zyada ho gaya?" We are putting the bar ends again in front. The bar end indicators actually, which we had, the handlebar indicators, we are again putting in front, which we had initially put, removed, made it to retro. These ones. Now we shifted the retro behind. Oh my God, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
पब्लिक हंसता रहेगा, बोलता रहेगा बहुत DIY करने का शौक है ना।
बहुत DIY है ना, करो छोटा चीजें DIY. Yeah, but I like this. I love this. You know, this is part of you know.
Fun.
Yeah, this is part of motorcycle fun. So yeah, we are doing the front bar and we show you. अगर वो tail light जलती नहीं या टूटती नहीं ना, if that was not broken, I would have not done all this. Now I'll surely put a report on Amazon about this. And the front department was mine today. Rear department is his. Brake lights fine. This is what happened, and I know you guys must be like, what all is going on with these indicators? But this is the final one. And I don't think so. If after this I will even add something, I'll not do a video. But regular vlogs, you have to show what's happening with you. Rain is constant and change is constant. Hope you like this video. Huh? Kya? Dialogue. I hope you guys like this video, and as usual, stay tuned for my next one. Plenty of reviews, plenty of product reviews, plenty of rides hopefully will happen. As usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Siddhant, say bye to fellow riders.
Adios.
Adios, amigos. His his setup is insane. So he is famous to make scale models, but that's awesome. Now the main thing about Siddhant, the best thing is his table. Hardworking guy using his daughter's table during the pandemic thing. Yeah, so what we have done, he has finally made a DIY. I'll show you all. Now I can click. There you go. This is the actual thing which we use. अच्छा ये चिपकाया नहीं है अभी तक?
नहीं ये चिपकाया नहीं है.
Okay. इसमें we made a surrounding one with sponge, and then he made a plunger, and this goes inside this, and
it's
and should we show the thing which we are doing? Prototype नहीं बताया ना अभी?
नहीं prototype मत बना.
नहीं बता सकते.
For all you guys,
we can't. So I have it in my hand right now.
Don't show it.
I have it in my hand, but we won't show. We're trying a product. If this works out, buy from us. Obviously, it'll be superior quality. It'll be metal. Obviously, I've got it. The lower half, not the top layer. Bike's doing well.